Good, amazing. Ta-da! I'm excited.
Sausage is good with that.
Honey, I love you.
Gotta feed that sweet right.
Mmm, that's so good.
That sauce. Both sauce are good.
Mmm,
It's right on.
sausage, amazing.
Mm. Yeah, they're all on point.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
Let's try the pasta with tomato sauce. Homemade tomato sauce. Mmm,
Let's see.
right on. Let's try the Alfredo pasta with Alfredo sauce.
That's really good.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm-mm.
It's also good.
The Italian sausage has so much flavor.
It's so good with our meal, though.
Hmm?
It does. It
It's
has
so
a
good with our
nice,
meal.
like, it fits it so nice.
It's more that than anything.
I'm sure.
What about you, Rabbi?
Mm. The sausage is so good.
Still more pasta and everything up there.
Cook the pasta perfect too, al dente.
Vanessa's was watching that one.
I stared at it.
The sauce is so nice without any sugars and things in it.
There's no preservatives.
Mm.
I love the sausage.
It's so good.
Do you like that tomato sauce, Ivy?
Oh, I can have it, or it's good on pizza.
Went to Italy today.
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me of the Mr. Peabody and Sherman show.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really curious. Like, we had, like, Spain, like, Spanish cuisine, but I really want to try, like, because there's, like, we don't know a lot about it.
Everything, yeah. We only had just little tiny pieces of it.
Truly authentic is going to be different than what we make.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try. But I'd probably still choose Mexican over Spanish, because Spanish is more European,
Mm-hmm.
fancy smashy stuff. Like,
Like schnitzel.
no, more of like Paris stuff, like Parisian foods. Like, that would be more like it. I don't even Paris food. I don't even know what Paris food are.
What's French?
Or yeah, French is not right. No, they have like nice chefs there, but I think it's
Everybody's beautiful, isn't it?
more on steak.
Very lovely meal.
And they're
Mm-hmm.
saying in
Now I got that variety that I wanted.
they're saying in French is that
Good job, baby.
the chef is right and the customer is
I love you, honey.
Gotta feed that one right.
I really love this tomato like this.
Mm-hmm. So simple.
It's very mild.
No sugar added. That's some quality food right there. That's quality eating, Abby.
It's restaurant food.
Restaurant. Shit, restaurant ain't gonna give you something that nice.
Well, not like any. It's really good.
And sausage just goes so nice with it, doesn't it?
Like the taste complements each other.
Hmm. That's why I wanted some neutral flavors because that sausage is gonna be so robust. Damn, that's good eating.
I'm very glad that I'm doing the online schooling. It's a lot better than FSU is.
How's your class?
It's going okay.
These two got sauces there, Venice. Mm.
I had mostly B's and a few A's.
You know, I've been doing it for one day.
Yeah. Well, a lot of it is automatic grading,
Mm.
and the ones where the teachers have a say on it is if there's an essay involved,
Mm.
and if it's a project. Other than that, it's all just automatic grading.
Abby has community service.
Yeah, I should do 40 hours of community service.
That's not bad.
I'm
It
so
makes
happy.
you sound like a villain.
Sorry, buddy.
Or not just a villain, but like a criminal.
You need anything else, honey? With more noodles?
Do we still have sausage?
Mm-hmm.
You could do community service in the Oreos.
No.
Mow the whole yard.
Yeah, no. Not
That's like one of their punishments there. If you get in trouble, you have to do community service in school. I wouldn't. I wouldn't.
I heard about that.
It's not that bad.
I wonder if they'd let me do any community service in like the library or something.
Maybe. The gate cleaning toilets.
It almost reflects two people. There's the one who has really boxed herself into this tiny, constricted, bland diet. And then there seems to be someone who's quite curious about things and quite open-minded when she does try things. So I'm going to be very interested to see where these two people meet. I think where they meet is where we're going to meet resistance.
It's hard to beat that, you know. Mm.
The only thing that is kind of weird for me now that I'm used to like Philippine schools is addressing the teachers. I'm used to saying like mom or sir before addressing them. So texting, or not texting, but emailing them is kind of strange. Like, what do I call them? They always introduce themselves as like Miss, Mr., Mrs., and it's like I'm so used to mom and sir now.
You can still use it. It's an address
Mhm.
in general.
Yeah,
That
it's
didn't mean
just,
anything bad.
Yeah, it's
I
not
know,
bad.
it's just-
It's a courtesy actually.
it's
It's like
just strange. I'm so used to.
they're probably happy to hear that than, hey, Sebastian.
Yo, teach.
Exactly.
Yo, homie.
Hi, T-boy.
Good dog.
The breadstick, honey.
No. Pasta and breadstick are
I know.
very heavy already.
Yeah, why did they do that to myself?
Yeah, why did you do that to me? I had an entire plate.
I know.
Look at mine.
You didn't tell me to stop. I was waiting for you to say stop.
I'm
I
gonna clean
thought you
mine
could
up.
just not do that.
Actually, it's perfect amount for me, the whole plate. Very good.
I still couldn't finish it, and that was
But I had to add that sausage. Good.
This is just too heavy. The pasta's really heavy.
you cry, you do anything, you like to sit to all day. But I pretty much have my own way about me. I'd be so angry.
That sauce is good, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Because I wouldn't make a decision.
Sauces.
It's not about that, it's that
I wish I did we had a food review instead of a movie review.
something that would just go over the week.
Because I would be a nice reviewer too.
There is Yelp.
No, I know, but for our English class,
School project.
Oh,
our performance task is
you want to be a reviewer?
no.
You're gonna taste everything.
I could like make a channel and go to like every country, and I would be stuck in Mexico and like
You know already.
in South America.
I can't leave here.
You know already.
I had to like start every other place, before, like the Mexico and
You're gonna have Mexico in your last destination.
Yeah.
First and last.
First and last. Oh, I remember because they said the other South American countries have different too. Similar but different.
I wish I would have known. I wouldn't done all this.
Okay.
Matag na.
Like the Cuban, what was that food that we had? The Cuban.
When we were in New York,
Yeah.
Jersey, Cuban.
Jersey.
Yeah, it's Cuban. Mom was happy with her fish because it has the eyeballs in it.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, they have good sandwich.
The Cuban sandwich was
Oh yeah,
good.
the Cubans.
I love Cuban sandwich. In Fernwood, we went. They have a Cuban sandwich.